Okay, we are back with the DJI Neo flying in full manual. I'm still learning. We've done some power loops recently. We've changed the rates to much faster. It's a little bit tricky still to do rolls and flips with those new rates, but flying around feels pretty good. Today I'm going to try and work on the split S. So basically with a split S, if my understanding is correct, you fly along and then you want to turn in the opposite direction, and you can practice this flying under something. So you go this way, we turn upside down as we turn over, and then we fly off under something in that direction. So this way, we dive, turn over, upside down, and come back in that direction. That's the plan. I don't have much to fly under here. Ideally you have like a branch out or something. There is a sign over there, but let's have a little fly around to start with, practice that type of maneuver without having something to go under, see if I can get that down. If I can get that down, then we'll find something, see if I can go through. I'm expecting lots of crashes as per normal. Let's see what happens. Normal deal, let's take off in manual. Let's start recording, stick it into manual. We're at 26 degrees, motors are starting. Okay, we are up. Let's have a play. See how everything feels. There is a little bit of wind today. I mean, it's pretty windy, but it's Perth, so a little bit of wind. This location's really good, middle of nowhere, no one around. Lots of obstacles. Lots of rubbish, unfortunately. Nearly hit a post then. Okay, this all feels okay. Okay, let's try some easy turns. So I think that's not really a split S, but you get the idea. So I'm going up, higher would be better. And then I turn, dive over, but do that at the same time. Okay, it's gonna happen fast. So turn, we got prop wash, and we're down. Okay, yeah, that's what I've got to be careful of. The wind and the prop wash and my level is going to be a struggle, but now I've got to go for a walk. When I was learning or trying the new rates with the flips and the rolls, I got lots of cardio in, walking back and forth to the drone. Okay, let's see if we can do something in front of the camera this time so you guys can see from that camera, not just from the goggles, so you can see what I'm doing. It's really tricky to see it in that way, but oh my goodness, we got caught on something. This is obviously not the best way to take off in grass, but it's super fun. Let's take off in normal. I very rarely do this, can't remember how to do it. Start the motors in. All right, let's start in sport. There we go. Okay. There's some wind pushing that, but I'm not, look, if I can just take off with the throttle, that should just stay still, but it's going in that direction. That's the wind. Just shows you in normal and sport, it's good when there's no wind, but as soon as there's some conditions that aren't great, having manual gives you way more options to fly. So let's go into manual, line the green dots up. Okay, we're off. So practice some turns again. Yeah, that's why it happens so fast that direction, because the wind's so strong in that way. Yeah, a little bit slower that way, so that might be the way to go for when I'm learning, into the wind. So let's try one more in front of the camera. So we're there, we turn. Whoa. Yeah, no, that's too steep. I need to go a little bit higher. Trying to get in front of the camera might not be the best idea. Whee. Okay. This way's going to be fast. Ooh, prop wash. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to work, but I'm going to be stupid and I'm going to try and go through there. So the split S over the sign, through the gap underneath. This is probably going to end in big crashes. But high fun factor. Okay. So I want to attempt it the other direction. Actually, that wasn't too far off it. Obviously I crashed, but that wasn't too far off. I don't know if it's truly an S turn or split S because I'm not going fully upside down to get around. I'm sort of curving it slowly. So I'm sort of like coming round and like that, instead of it being upside down and round hard. But work in progress. This is way too hard for my skill level. Okay. Up, down, round. Well, we got through somehow, but I won't call that a split S, but we got through. Stupid, because I'm probably going to hit that post, I reckon. Yeah, okay. No, alright, I think I should stop. I'm going to damage the drone too much with that. But I want to go back to doing some flips and rolls with the new rates and see if I can get a little bit more quality control going on there. Well, we had a success-ish pass through the gate, but those metal posts are confusing me, considering it was just down the road here where I broke my gimbal on the other metal post sticking up. So I don't want the same thing to happen. I have sent that drone back. I sent that yesterday actually to DJI, so if they can fix it. Okay, let's go with some flips and some rolls. Okay, we're recording. We are in manual, 26 degrees. Motor's starting. We're way up. Flip. Oh, a bit slow, but or jagged. I'm going like halfway and bottling it because of how fast it goes. Let's just try a roll. That's better. Okay, we've got a roll. Got to roll into the wind in the opposite direction. Yes, but lost it a little bit. That's better. Oh, I think that might be the wind doing that, because I'm not going forwards enough and then the wind is kicking it backwards a little bit as I roll. Oh, I thought that was better, but okay. So there's a little bit of success there. I don't know what that was, like 4 or 5 rolls before I crashed. Okay, so now let's go do what I said I was going to do, but without trying to visit a spider in a real tight gap. Let's just have a little fly around, do a little bit of everything without crashing. Oh, nearly lost it there. Oh. Okay. Is that okay? Is that okay? Got itself a little bit of a fiddle there after hitting that bush. Keep it close to me. So we're having the ability just to shut the motors off if it starts to play up a little bit is really useful in manual. Yeah, I think it's okay. Oh, I reckon I hit a spider web there, I don't know. If it looked like one, maybe it was a twig or something. Don't know whether to try a little bit of a power loop, but I'm not sure which direction is best with the wind. I think it's going to struggle that way. Okay, let's finale it. Alright, well, we've done something like a power loop. Okay, we haven't done any rolls yet, have we? Okay, we got a roll. So we can get another roll. Yes. Alright, what are we at? 3 minutes? Ooh, it's windy. Windy, windy, windy. To me, I feel like the quality of the picture is breaking up a little bit. So I'm going to flick over, I'll flick between on the video between what the drone is capturing and what the goggles are capturing. Sometimes there seems to be a big difference and sometimes there isn't. But it looks a bit grainy now or off. Like there's a little bit of a disconnection, which is strange. So it'll be interesting to compare the two. Alright, we're starting to get a little bit more control here with the flips and rolls. Definitely way better than the last video if you watched that one where I first tried the rates. Oh, yeah, that's where yeah. Anyway, let's finish there. So that's 4 minutes 40. It's a pretty good indication of where I'm at with these current rates, which I'm going to stick with. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Let me know if you have any advice. And let me know if you have any requests for what I can try. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.